So this week's hot new product comes courtesy of the guys over at Dress Up Bolts, and they sent us a little sample package just to take a look at some of the finishes and the quality of their products. So let's take a look. So right off the bat, this is a super colorful package. And I think the idea for these little marketing packages was just like a sample of all the cool finishes you can get from Dress Up Bolts, because I think each one here is just a little bit of odds and ends and random nuts and bolts. But you can order entire packages specific to your platform, or even little things like the hardware for arrow catch, hood latches, and things like that. So the guys have a little bit of everything, so you can spice up your hardware. And as you can see, all these finishes look incredible. There's a very brightly colored neochrome for those of you guys who are into that, and then a bit of anodized every color on the rainbow as well. We'll be taking a deeper look at some of the stuff that goes into developing product at Dress Up Bolts in our next PASMAG issue, but you can also check out dressupbolts.com to see what products they offer for your platform.